Hi guys, till now we have learned the first layer, second layer and third layer. Today we will be completing the final layer, and this is the final layer. We will be completing the final layer. To complete the final layer, we will be needing only formulas, and there are only 4 formulas which we have to learn. And now I will tell some basics of that formulas. See, you will get a yellow color. First you have to get plus shaped yellow color. To get that we have to follow some formulas. Now I will explain the formulas. Face down, this is known as face down. Right up, this is known as right up. Up left, this is up one, and we have to move to the left side. And right downwards, and right, this is right, and this is downwards, and again up, right, and face up, this is the face, and we have to make this upwards. Now let's do the plus symbol formula. Formula basics is completed. Now let's do the formula, plus symbol formula. Here you have to get the yellow colors. Here, 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 here. When you get a single yellow, you can keep any side. I'll select red as red is my favorite. Now let's do the formula. Face down, face down. Next is right up, right side upwards, and up left, this is up, and left side. Right down, up right, this is up, right, and face upwards. Now see, you'll get a symbol like this. You have to keep symbol in this form only. Now we have to follow the same procedure. Face down, right up, left, right down, up right, and face up. Now you'll get a line. If you get a line, vertical line, you have to turn towards horizontal. You have to keep this in a horizontal line. Now do the same formula. Face down, right up, left, right down, up right, and face up. See, you get a plus symbol. The first formula is done. First step is completed, that is plus symbol formula is completed. Now we have to do second step, which is fish symbol formula. For that, let me show what is a fish. This is a fish. See, this is a fish. Now what you have to do is, now we have to make sure that the two adjacent sides have the same fish symbol. If you keep a red here, will you get any fish here? No. This side, no. Like that you have to turn the sides. You have to match. See, blue. Now make a blue fish. You got a blue fish. Now what you have to do is, you have to search for the other fishes adjacent to blue color. See, you got a orange. Now you got the two colors of fish, orange fish and blue fish. Now what you have to do is, keep the first fish in the left hand side, and the orange should be back hand side. Now you have to apply the formula. Right up, left, right down, right, upright, right up, upright, right down, up left. See, now you got all the fishes. Red fish, green fish, orange fish. Now I'll tell one of the case in the fish symbol formula. As I said, you have to match colors till you get the fish shape, and adjacent sides also the same fish shape. See, now our match the orange. This side is not matched, and this side is not matched. So this cannot be used. Now try to find with other colors. Blue. See, did you get adjacent side? No, you didn't get. You got the opposite side. You can also use the opposite sides also. See, if you get fish this side, and if you get fish opposite sides, even this can be used. One should be left, one should be right. Now we can perform the fish symbol formula. Right up, left, right down, so on. We can perform. As we have completed the second part, which is fish part, now we will be coming to the matching formula. This is the third part. Now I will tell some basics in this formula. These are known as corners. Now we have got orange, green, but there is no green. This is not match. See, yellow, blue, but there is no blue on three sides. Red, this is red, yellow, this is yellow. Now we can do the match formula. The match, we have to keep the right side. Now we can perform the formula. Left up left, right up right, left down, up left, right down, up left. See, like this you have to do the match formula. Now again you have to check whether you got the matches. See, green, red, and yellow, red, blue, yellow. Okay. See, you got these matches. Clearly you can see you got a match. Now what you have to do is, now we have to do the final formula. See, like this. See, yellow, white will be keeping down. Now you got everything in match. See, you got match. Now what you have to do, you have to turn like this. White should be upwards, and the one which you didn't complete should be downwards, right side, like this. Now we can perform the formula. Finish formula. Right up left, right down, up right. You have to do this formula until you get these three same, like this. I'll show how it will come. Right up left, right down, up right. Continue one more time. Right up left, right down, up right. See, you are getting slowly. Now again you perform. Right up left, right down, up right. See, you got these three colors. This is a match. Now what you have to do, whatever you didn't get, you have to turn this side. Everything you have to bring here to perform the finished formula. See, you didn't get this cube, so we have to turn this side, and you have to perform the same formula. You have to not bother about this. Perform the same formula. Right up left, right down, up right. Same, you have to perform till you get this. Right up left, right down, up right. See, you got everything. Now just you have to match it. See, that's how you do the cube. Thank you. Practice hard.